is year 12 of the after-trial era. Half a century since colonization began on the planet EDM-3. During the colonization, some of the settlers rebelled against Nevik, the planet's colonial military enterprise. These rebels came to be known as Snow Pirates.
There's 3. One's wounded. Easy pick.
The so-called Snow Pirates fought until they forced Nevik to withdraw from the planet in 18-2.
No! Stay with me, kid.
Oh, yes! Tulungan gue, langsung gue.
What? He's got a harmonizer.
With a newfound power source known as thermal energy, the Snow Pirates utilized the Harmonizer, a device which gave them superhuman regenerative abilities.
This far.
The advent of the Harmonizer intensified the Snow Pirates' battle with the native Akrid, the source of thermal energy. This conflict began to radically transform the planet's frigid environment. It is AT-12, and EDM-3 still shows no signs of being able to shake off the chaos that envelops her.
Sometime today.
That's what you get from a stolen VS. I don't know if there's enough thermal energy to last us.
We barely have enough to go around. If we have to activate our harmonizers, we're done for. Hey, I got a life form reading just up ahead there.
Copy that. Multiple readings, too. Akrid?
That'd be a godsend. I say we move in, take him out, and grab the thermal energy.
We're moving out. Take up the rear.
Ready.
Well, that didn't turn out too badly.
Aside from the fact we lost another VS. According to the map, there's a camp up ahead.
Is that good or bad?
I don't know. By up ahead, I mean way up ahead.
We can use this data post. Point us the way to the camp. Looks like Lady Luck hasn't given up on us yet. There's an abandoned factory located up ahead. Check it out on your PDA. We're getting a message from some of our guys. Looks like help is on the way. The hell is that thing doing here? on board. We've got work to do.
Aduh, jaketnya apa begini?
I can't make it all the way to the Jungle Pirates mine, so I'm gonna drop you off in the forest nearby. Hope this mission's worth the risk.
Can't take the heat, huh? Tell you what, when we get back, I'll have one of my men give you a foot rub.
Sounds good to me. Okay, buckle up and get ready for a nice change of scenery. Welcome to the jungle, boys.
God, it smells like shit.
Now, you're just not used to it. Snow and ice don't smell, but this, you're in a whole other world now, pal. There have been pockets of vegetation like this popping up all over the planet over the past decade. Some say it's all the Category G acrid causing it. Others claim it's got something to do with the underground thermal energy reservoirs. Damn if I know. All right, everyone. Team leaders are reporting in.
We're rounding up the troops. Looks like this is gonna be one hell of a party.
Do we really need all this just to take on a bunch of half-assed miners?
Well, the mine isn't just sitting out in the open with a big old welcome sign. You'll have to go through some pretty dense bush to get there.
We got no idea what to expect down there. I wouldn't be surprised if most of you couldn't hack it.
Thanks for the vote of confidence.
Currents are getting rough. You ready for your drop?
You gonna brief us already?
Once you're down there, the command team will brief you.
Jungle pirates!
Negative! Acrid!
They're coming around!
I'm dropping off a team up ahead. Rendezvous with them. I'm making the drop. Stay on your guard. Stay on your current course.
Jadi kasih tak.